In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to QuickBooks Online. If you want to send invoices through your Gmail address instead of the default QuickBooks email, this setup is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can get it connected smoothly and start sending invoices more professionally from the email account you actually use. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Sales and then select Invoices. This will take you to your invoice list where you can view all the invoices you've already created. Next, find the invoice you want to send and open it so you can go into edit mode. This is important because the Gmail connection option appears as part of the sending process for an invoice. Once you're inside the invoice and ready to send it, click Review and Send. That will open the email preview and editor where you can check what the customer will receive. Inside that email editor, look for the From field. There should be a drop-down menu there. Click that drop-down and you'll see the option to add a Gmail address. Select Add Gmail Address to continue. After that, click Connect Gmail Account. QuickBooks will begin the connection process and redirect you to sign in and authorize the Gmail account you want to use. From here, simply continue through the connection steps on screen. Depending on your Google account settings, you may need to choose the correct account and approve the requested permissions, so QuickBooks can send emails on your behalf. As you go through this part, make sure you're connecting the Gmail account you want customers to see when they receive invoices. It's also a good idea to carefully review each prompt before approving access, just so you understand what permissions are being granted. Once the connection is complete, your Gmail account will be linked and you'll be able to use it as the sender for invoices in QuickBooks Online. That means your outgoing invoice emails can come from your Gmail address, which can help with consistency and make your communication look more familiar to your customers. And that's it. The process is quick, simple, and only takes a few moments to complete. Now you're ready to send invoices from QuickBooks Online using your connected Gmail account.